Well, it goes beyond changing nomenclature, right? So let me rephrase this as I heard it, and let me know if I got this right. I'm Bald Mookie, and I have a living, breathing profile. And by that, I mean I have predilections and behaviors that are measurable and communicable. So I have buying habits that are demonstrated by prior behaviors with metrics associated with them. I engage with my digital environment in certain ways, which are also measurable. When I interact with a salesperson, hypothetically or actually, that's another whole set of metrics. So I'm this living, breathing person, and I am exhibiting all of these qualities with just really petabytes of digital exhaust. Everything I do, everything I say, everything I buy can be understood and analyzed through the lens of how potentially viable I'll be as a prospect. I'm not a lead, I am a human with a complex profile. And what we've done with the SaaS systems is shoehorn people like me with these complex, multidimensional profiles into these buckets. And in doing so, we've committed two errors. One, we've forced all of these complex behaviors into these narrow boxes that we then try to analyze independently. And the other one is we've created a framework which just doesn't make sense for other human beings to understand me as a human being. I have become this funnel with lexiconography and analytical engines that don't have anything to do with me in the real world. And what you're recommending is let's reinvent this system so it's reflective not only of me as this real person in the real world, but of the sales team and the sales managers and the company in terms of how they naturally relate to me also. Is that right?
That's exactly right.
All
Uh,
right. Yeah.
yeah.
And
Um,
that's a systemic foundational problem with, to your point, tens of thousands of applications have been engineered back asswards. Instead of looking at this as humans trying to connect with other humans with intuition and language and even technique that humans have been interacting with other humans for millennia, we have imposed this artificial bullshit construct and force fed it into our customers' face. And we've reduced efficiency. We've created more confusion than benefit. And now that AI is here, AI is literally telling us that none of this makes any sense from a neuro linguistic programming point of view, NLP. And it's not going to take that much to just re engineer this, at least in a way where we can intuitively relate to each other that's effective.